In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Forms responses as a PDF. This simple process will enable you to keep an organized record of your survey or quiz responses that can be easily shared or stored for future reference. First, let's get started by opening the Google form from which you'd like to save responses. If you haven't already created your Google form, you'll need to do that first by navigating to the Google Forms homepage and starting a new form. Once your form is ready and responses have started to come in, you can proceed with saving them as a PDF. Now, head over to the Google Forms interface and locate the form in your list and click to open it. You need to go to the Responses section of the form, which is usually beside the Questions tab at the top of the page. Clicking on the Responses tab will give you a summary of all the responses collected. It's a great way to get a quick overview, but our goal is to download these responses. To do this, look for the Green Sheets icon at the top of the Responses section and click on it. This will open all of the responses in a Google Sheet. What you're doing here is effectively backing up your data into a format that can be easily manipulated and converted into a PDF. If you'd prefer Excel, you can download the sheet from Google Sheets as a .xlsx file and open it with Excel. Once the responses are opened in Google Sheets, you'll need to make sure your document is properly formatted. Double-check the layout to ensure everything looks the way you want it to appear in a PDF. Take a moment to adjust column widths, align text accordingly, and make any necessary tweaks to the overall appearance. Doing so ensures your PDF will be neat and legibly organized. With your sheet open and formatted, navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner. From the drop-down, select Print. This will bring up the Print dialog box. Don't worry, you're not actually printing. What you're doing is preparing this document for export to a PDF format. In the Print dialog, select Save as PDF in the Destination drop-down menu. This will give you the option to download your responses as a PDF file instead of printing them on paper. Before you finalize saving, take a moment to review the document in the print preview. Make sure all of your responses are visible and formatted correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Save button. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save your PDF document. Choose your desired location and hit Save. And there you have it, a neatly formatted PDF of your Google Forms responses. This document can now be easily shared with others via email or can be stored for archival purposes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.